What if a few small gadgets could make your next trip safer, lighter, cooler, and way less stressful? From protecting your hotel room to maximizing suitcase space and charging multiple devices worldwide, these 15 genius travel gadgets are built for smarter journeys. And every single product in this video is linked in the description. Let's get started. Traveling should feel exciting, not uncomfortable. The Rerishom portable door lock gives you an extra layer of privacy and security when staying in hotels, dorms, apartments, or unfamiliar places. Its stainless steel construction installs without tools and creates a mechanical barrier that helps prevent the door from opening from outside, even with a key. It's tiny, lightweight, and easy to pack, making it a smart addition for solo travelers. You'll find this travel security gadget linked in the description. Would you feel more relaxed knowing you had this extra protection? Here's a tiny gadget that can save you from a very expensive airport surprise. The Travel Inspira digital luggage scale lets you check your suitcase weight before reaching the check-in counter, with a capacity of up to 110 pounds and accuracy down to 0.1 pounds. Its backlit display, data lock function, tear feature, and included battery make weighing luggage incredibly simple. At just 3.2 ounces, it barely takes up any space. If you want this handy packing companion, the product link is waiting in the description. Would you rather check your bag weight at home or risk an overweight fee? Forget reaching for your phone in the middle of the night just to see the time. The Mesqool digital projection alarm clock projects the time directly onto your ceiling or wall, with a 180-degree adjustable projector and multiple brightness levels. Dual alarms make it useful for couples or different schedules, while the large LED display stays easy to read from across the room. There's also a USB charging port and battery backup. Check the description for the link if this sounds useful for your next hotel stay. Could a clock like this make your mornings easier while traveling? If your suitcase always feels too small, this could completely change how you pack. The OlarHike 10-piece compression set combines multiple clothing cubes with a toiletry bag, shoe bag, laundry bag, and pouch to keep everything organized. The dual zipper compression design helps reduce bulk, while breathable mesh panels let you see what's inside without unpacking everything. Durable polyester construction and reinforced stitching make it ready for everything from weekend getaways to longer adventures. The full set is linked in the description. How much easier would packing become if every item had its own place? International travel becomes much easier when you don't have to carry a different adapter for every destination. The Ceptics 45W Universal Travel Adapter supports multiple plug types and combines 3 USB-A ports with 2 USB-C ports, including fast power delivery charging. You can power up to 5 devices at once, while built-in safety features provide added protection. Its compact design makes it ideal for international trips where outlets can be unpredictable. If you're planning to travel abroad, you can find this adapter through the link in the description. Would you take this one adapter instead of packing several chargers? Hot destinations can turn a great vacation into an uncomfortable experience fast, but this wearable fan gives you a hands-free way to stay cool. The SWEETFULL portable neck fan uses a bladeless design with 4 speed levels and a powerful 5,200 mAh battery that can run for up to 20 hours. It charges through USB-C, weighs only 8.6 ounces, and operates quietly enough for everyday use. It's especially useful for walking tours, theme parks, outdoor events, and summer travel. If you want to keep cool on the go, the product is linked in the description. Would you wear a fan like this on your next hot weather adventure? Packing enough clothes is one thing, but finding somewhere to hang them once you arrive is another. These Quatish travel hangers solve that problem without eating up valuable suitcase space. Each lightweight hanger folds down to a compact size and offers multiple configurations for everything from jackets to delicate clothing and accessories. With 20 included hangers and a 10-pound weight capacity, you'll have plenty for longer vacations, cruises, or hotel stays. The convenient travel set can be found through the link in the description. Would these replace the bulky hangers you normally carry? Wrinkled clothes can ruin your look right when you need to look your best. The Jack and Rose Travel Steamer combines a steamer and iron in one compact design, heating up in just 15 seconds. Its 100 to 220 volt compatibility makes it suitable for global travel, while the rotating steam head saves valuable packing space. You also get a ceramic heating panel for dry ironing and a 5-ounce water tank. 4 wrinkle-free outfits wherever you go. Check the product link in the description. Would you pack this for your next business trip or vacation? Want to turn your airplane seat into a more comfortable entertainment setup? The Perilogics Universal Airplane Phone Holder lets you watch movies, videos, or other content hands-free while traveling. Its dual 360-degree rotating joints provide flexible viewing angles, while the secure clamp can hold phones up to 3.75 inches wide and attach to surfaces up to 1.57 inches thick. It folds down to roughly the size of a deck of cards, so it's incredibly easy to carry. The travel mount is linked in the description. Would you use this to make long flights more enjoyable? If your charging cables always turn into a tangled mess inside your bag, it's time to organize your tech. The FYY electronic organizer features a double-layer interior with 8 compartments for cables, chargers, adapters, earbuds, USB drives, and other accessories. Its durable Oxford fabric, soft lining, smooth zippers, and compact design help protect your electronics while keeping everything easy to find. A wrist strap also makes it convenient to carry separately. You can check out this tech organizer through the link in the description. How much easier would your travel bag be with every cable neatly organized? When temperatures rise, this compact fan is ready to bring serious airflow wherever you go. The Bearwind portable turbo fan uses a 7-blade turbo design and brushless motor to deliver airflow up to 9 meters per second across 5 speed settings. Its 4,000 mAh rechargeable battery provides up to 12 hours on lower settings, while the 180-degree folding design lets you use it as a handheld, desk, or neck fan. It weighs only 0.42 pounds, making it easy to carry. The cooling gadget is available through the link in the description. Could this be your new summer travel essential? Don't let bulky toiletry bottles take over your carry-on. The Tocelffe 18-piece travel bottle set gives you multiple silicone bottles, spray containers, cream jars, and useful filling accessories inside a waterproof carrying bag. The containers are designed for shampoos, conditioners, lotions, creams, and skincare products, while their compact sizes make packing much easier. They're also TSA approved for carry-on travel. If you want a more organized toiletry setup, you'll find the complete set linked in the description. Would you rather carry this organized kit or several full-size bottles? Here's a clever way to stay hydrated without sacrificing precious luggage space. The TakeToday collapsible water bottle holds 21 ounces when expanded but folds down compactly when empty, making it ideal for hiking, camping, festivals, flights, and international adventures. Made from food-grade platinum silicone, it features a wide mouth, carry strap, leak-resistant screw lid, and built-in straw. You can also take it empty through airport security and refill it afterward. The bottle's product link is in the description. Would you bring a collapsible bottle on your next adventure? Keeping your passport, cards, cash, and phone secure doesn't have to mean carrying a bulky bag everywhere. The Hero Neck wallet offers 5 compartments, including 4 zippered RFID blocking pockets, inside a lightweight water-resistant design. You can wear it discreetly around your neck, across your body, or around your waist, giving you flexible ways to carry important travel essentials. Its compact size and lifetime replacement guarantee make it especially appealing for international trips. You can find this travel security wallet through the link in the description. Would you trust this more than keeping your passport in a regular backpack? And finally, here's a simple gadget that can keep dirty clothes from taking over your suitcase. The JHX travel laundry bags come as a 2-pack and expand to hold up to 22 pounds of clothing, yet fold into compact pouches when you're not using them. Durable polyester construction, reinforced handles, aluminum carabiners, a drawstring closure, and an exterior zipper pocket make them practical for vacations, cruises, camping, fitness, and more. If separating dirty clothes sounds useful, check the product link in the description. Would you use separate laundry bags to keep clean clothes fresh throughout your trip? And there you have it. 15 genius travel gadgets designed to make your trips more organized, comfortable, secure, and stress-free. From smarter packing to easier charging and staying cool on the go, there's something here for almost every traveler. Every single product in this video is linked in the description, so check them out before your next trip. Which gadget would you pack first?